Good morning, everybody. So we made it into camp last night at like 12 o'clock after we saw the geyser. The original place I wanted to camp was closed off, so that made looking for a camp all the more fun. We had to drive almost all the way through Teton Park, but we're on the outside of that at the moment. And we have a nice little spot, and the view actually isn't too bad here. But these mosquitoes are, and we are trying to quickly get packed up and get back in the car before all our blood gets sucked dry. Alright, they're already trying to eat me down here.
Hurry.
I'm hurrying. Hand me stuff. This is terrible. Like, it's these really beautiful grassy fields out here. Really awesome views. Let me show you guys real quick just how pretty this is. But these mosquitoes, there are flocks of them. I opened the window this morning with the screen on and they just like swarmed it. Some of them squeezed through last night when we got in the door. Who knows how many bites I'm gonna have by the end of the day. Next. All right, sleeping bags. So for those of you wondering, I don't have autofocus on this GH5 camera, so it's just something I have to deal with constantly. And adjust and check and adjust and check. And darn it, more mosquitoes on my arm. They're eating me.
Yeah, quicker.
I can see them swarming the door.
No.
There's like 10 of them.
No.
Oh my goodness, they're all over the tent.
I don't want to come outside and just drive with me in the tent.
Oh, what a way to start out the video. All right, I'm just like shoving everything in the car. I don't care how pretty it looks. Is that it?
That's it. All right, I'm coming down.
Okay. Oh no, you're barefoot.
I know.
Ugh. Okay, faster, faster, faster would be better. Nothing rushes your morning like fighting for your life. Man, we don't even have this many mosquitoes at home.
No. There's not even this many mosquitoes in Texas. This is insane. And there's one in the window.
Ow, 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 ow. Shoo, shoo. Like I was saying, we got to see Old Faithful last night. That took forever. And I really, really wanted to go see the prismatic pools. And it was so late. It was like 10 o'clock when Old Faithful went off again. I mean, we sat there for about an hour and a half because it went off right as we walked up to it, and I wasn't even ready with the camera. So that kind of sucked. We just kind of sat around, saw some buffalo come through, and we just waited, and it just like ate our whole evening because I really wanted to go see the prismatic pools at like golden hour, although we didn't really get much of them with the clouds. This morning we've had really, really nice weather, lots of mosquitoes to get us moving. So we're going back into the park and we're gonna go check out the prismatic pools. We're here in Grand Teton National Park. We decided to pull over and have a little bit of a late lunch. It's about like 3-ish o'clock. I wanted to go see the pools this morning since we didn't get a chance last night. And yeah, because of that, we're running a little bit behind. But we're getting some sandwiches made here. And we just got passport stamps and stickers while we were here. And I also saw on the bookshelf in the store this book here of some of the work of Ansel Adams. And if you guys don't know who Ansel Adams is and you like photography, definitely check him out. I think you'll be impressed with a lot of what you see. So I'm sitting here eating my sandwich and looking across at my Xterra, and I'm pretty sure my rear suspension is totally shot at this point in the trip. I mean, we put probably about 6,000 miles on this car since we started this, and yeah, it's really sad. Not to mention what happened to us back in Death Valley with the broken leaf spring. that probably isn't helping our situation here either. But needless to say, noisy car coming through. Needless to say, I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a lot of work cut out for us on maintenance when we get back home here. All right, lunch has been consumed and rain is starting to come down on us. This weather has been very moody and I love it, I really do, but I don't want to get rained on while we're hiking. It's just not something I was really hoping to encounter. Back down the mountain around Lake Ginny, and it was a really nice hike. We decided to take the hike around the lake back rather than the ferry. Ferry closes at 7, and we were out there till like 8 o'clock-ish, and it's just this time zone thing is driving me nuts. I can't get used to it. It feels like it's 6 o'clock right now. We got down the mountain and we made our way a little south in the park here to a nice little picnic area. We're gonna get dinner going here while we have a little bit of daylight, and then we're gonna pack up and then go find camp for the night. In a way, this is kind of the end of our journey here. This was the last major planned stop we had here in Grand Teton. And honestly, it's been really nice here. I would love to stick around and explore it more, but I gotta get back home and pay bills, unfortunately. Taylor's getting dinner going. We got this awesome sunset happening behind me. So I'm hungry, I wanna see a sunset. Let's make this happen. So what's on the menu tonight?
Chicken pasta. We haven't had this in a while.
Chicken pasta, homemade, right?
No.
Dinner is served.
If I can get the plate to you before a swarm of something comes and eats it off the plate.
Oh, you poor little Xterra. I am so sorry. That was 6,000 miles. That was over 6,000 miles. I mean, look at my rear suspension. It's done. We set out to explore everything west of the Continental Divide. We did that. We went through every state, explored something there, except for Idaho. We just kind of drove straight through that one. But we went through it, so we'll say it counts. Anyway, I think this is a good spot to end the series. This is kind of an anticlimactic episode, I guess. Can't wait to share other things I have for you guys. This isn't the end here. We got a lot more planned coming down the road, but right now, I just really want to shower. So anyway, I think this is a good spot to end the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.